Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Chidera Sews. And today is a very good day, although it's going to be stressful to pack all these outfits, but I am sending outfits to my client. Yay! So she ordered for a whole lot of outfits. Yeah, she ordered for a whole lot, many up and downs, boo-boos and what have you. Yeah, so I don't know how many they are in total, but if I'm going to be counting the shirts and the trousers, separately, I guess they should be up to 30 or even more than, but we're going to be finding out in this video. No need for talk. Let us just dive right into showing you the outfits. So yeah, this is a boo-boo. If you're following me on my lifestyle channel, Chidera Giselle, you must have seen when I showed when these materials arrived. So this is a boo-boo gown. We use this one to make a boo-boo gown. You can see the neck. It was turned with bias. Yeah, and yeah, this is the hand side. So yeah, it has pockets. Here's the pockets. So the owner can put her hand inside the pocket. See the pockets? Yeah, and the pocket is on two sides. This side and the other side. So yeah, this is another boo-boo. The same thing, like basically the same thing with the other one, just that this is another color, like another type of fabric. This is the boo-boo. You can see the neck turned with the material. I didn't use bias for this one because I didn't get the orange bias. And yeah, it's a very long boo-boo. It has pockets too, like the other one. This one or the other one, which one do you prefer? Do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this one is a shirt, like a short sleeve shirt. See it? It's short sleeve, and she's going to be wearing it with this knicker. This is the knicker, a short knicker with the short sleeve shirt. Wow, this is already looking cute. So this is outfit number 3. So if I'm supposed to count this knicker as 1 and this shirt as 1, I've already shown you guys 4 pieces of clothing now. Yeah, so let me show you guys the next one. Most of the outfits are actually boo-boos. This one is a booboo Ankara gown. This fabric is so cute. I love the fabric so much, and this looks so perfect on my skin. So this is a booboo Ankara gown. Another of the outfits. Yeah, so let me show you another one. It has pockets too, and it's really long. All these outfits are giving rich auntie vibes. Rich auntie vibes. Come on, get a rich auntie vibes outfits. Yeah. So here's another Ankara gown. Another Ankara boo-boo. All her Ankara fabric, she used all of them for boo-boo. So this is another boo-boo. And yeah, here's another boo-boo. Another Ankara fabric with boo-boo. Like, this client has huge taste when it comes to fabrics, because she actually got the fabrics from Aba and she sent them to me. Like, she bought it from there. So the vendor that she bought it from sent it to me in Owerri. And look at how the outfits are just fine. Like, there's no one that is a flop. Everything is a hit back to back, and all of them fit my skin color. Like, is this a coincidence? All of them fit my skin color. Like, can you imagine? Oh yeah. So this is another one, and it's a booba gown. Oh my god, this fabric is so cute. Oh, I have a sweet accent. I think I'm gonna stop talking like the normal Chidera Giselle that you know. I'm gonna start talking with my accent, yeah. So this is outfit number what? I already counted 4 outfits before this one. So this is outfit number 8. And yeah, let me show you guys these ones. Like, she made them in batches. My real accent now they come back. So this is a baggy trouser. You can see it's baggy. So yeah, this is a baggy trouser, and here's the shirts. Wow. So this material is sunray. Can you see it? I think you can see it on the closer view now. You can see that the material is a sunray material. Sunray is really raining for people now. Like, look at, like, just take a look at, see the button, see the finishing. Can your fashion designer ever? No, never. So yeah, this is the black one. Yeah. This video no is your headache. So here's the green version. This is like mint green. It's almost on the turquoise blue side. Actually, the picture she sent to me was lemon green, but I couldn't find lemon green sunray, so I just got another green sunray. So this is it. I actually got these particular fabrics by myself. Yeah, I got them at first before she now sent the ones from Abba. So this is another sunray. See it? Sunray, green color. It's the same style with the black one. This is the trouser. So how many outfits have we counted now? I think we've counted about 12 pieces of clothing. That's if I'm counting the shirt as one and the trouser as one. So here's another outfit. It's satin. Here's the trouser. It's basically the same style with the other one, just that it's satin. Then this is another one. It's an Ankara top and trouser. Let me bring out the trouser. I made these outfits like 2 or 3 months ago. Here's the Ankara trouser, a baggy trouser. You can see it. Yeah, and here's the top. It's actually a shirt top, like it's a shirt. Let me put one hand. I'll not wear it totally. You can see it's a shirt. Yeah, so that is it. So I've already counted 16. Wow, the outfits are actually heading to that 30 that I said. So that purple satin up and down I showed you, this is the gold version. It's just long sleeve shirt with baggy trouser. There's no need of unfolding it because that's a lot of stress to fold it back. And yeah, this is the animal skin version of them. Like she ordered for this set first. She ordered for about 6 up and downs, like shirts and trousers. So this is the animal skin version, and then she sent materials from Abba to sew the rest. So here's another one. It's basically baggy knicker and shirts. Yeah, see the shirts. So baggy knicker and shirts. Remaining 2 outfits actually. Ah god, this has been folded so well. I wish I didn't have to unfold this. Anyways, you go fold them back. So this is this one. I love this one so much. Like, can you see the neck parts? You can see how it came. You can see the buttons. Very neat. Super neat. Yeah, so this is one outfit, and she sewed the same thing for another fabric. So let me show you that one. Hi god, you see why I was avoiding unfolding it, but I can't avoid it. I have to show you guys the outfit. And yeah, here is the last but not the least. Here's the upper part. Yeah, so guys, I am going to be packing all of them up right now. I'll pack them. I'm taking it to ITC Park. I'll pack them and then I'll be sending it over. Yeah, so that is just it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, this is just a casual video. Like, I just wanted to show you guys everything I made for my clients. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video. Let's keep on moving the ministry of this fashion channel, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, love you.